So I just got home. I actually spent the night at my aunt's, and right now the dogs are barking because the UPS man is here. There's the UPS guy right there. Or the post office person. So it looks like someone got a package. And it looks like I was out of focus. But I spent the night at my aunt's house, so I just got back home. And I have to probably spend the night again. I have to cover for my cousin who isn't there, and I'm kind of watching the house now. So it went from pet sitting to now house watching and pet sitting. I don't know for how long, and I don't know. And I'm also not focusing too much on making videos. I don't know. I didn't have my camera with, so I couldn't really do much, and I really didn't put any thought into what I wanted to do for today, because today is not an eventful day. It consisted of coming home. I have this camera slider to sell right there. My desk is a mess, but I got this slider that I'm getting rid of because I have not used it. I bought it used, and I am actually making a little bit of money off of it, so small profit, but the small profits add up. I have to meet the guy at 11, and it is it's a little after 10 right now, 10:09. So I got 40 minutes before I gotta get out of here to meet the dude. Don't know what I'm gonna do in the meantime.
So I think someone ran into my car. This whole side's smashed, and Great. Well, I guess this side now matches the other side, which is a little screwed up too. I bet someone was driving this truck and backed up in this corner, probably smacked the side of my car. I bet that's what happened. Someone probably hit it with the corner of this truck or the bumper. And now my car's screwed up again. But I don't drive it much, so it doesn't matter too much to me. But still, damn. This car's been through a lot. And now this light has no way to stay on because completely snapped off the bottom post to hold it on, and it snapped off the top piece, the top clip here to keep it in there. So it's gonna have to be zip tied in. Hopefully that turn signal light still works. But I'm gonna have to pull this out and fix it as best I can. That sucks. Didn't expect that to happen. Oh well. It turns out my little brother did that. Doesn't surprise me. Well, we gotta fix it though. I think I can bend it back without taking off the whole fender. But this is gonna be screwed. I don't have anything in here. They are all... Oh, wait. We got this cheap thing. Hopefully there's a pair of pliers in this. Sweet. Pretty much all I need. Get that out of the way. World-class automotive repair going on right here. With only one hand. Alright, so I'm gonna tape up these pliers so the pliers don't screw up the metal more. You can see it's really digging in right there. That's from the pliers. Even though it doesn't matter too much because this is not gonna look pretty afterwards, I wanna minimize the damage if possible. Well, I think that's as good as I'm gonna get it. It sort of lines up with the marker light / turn signal light, and I think that's all that matters at this point. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is what it looks like after it's smashed into by the rear end of a truck at a very, very low speed, and could have very, very easily been avoided if someone, very in particular my little brother, would have put a little more thought into how he was driving so he wouldn't smash my car. So I'm just gonna live with it like this. It's a tad better than it was before. So yeah, good enough. Just gonna leave these taped up because I feel like I'm gonna need them again. Almost no tape left. Okay. Very good. This isn't gonna work. How do you do this one-handed? Ugh. Okay. Okay, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Whew. Nailed it. Look at that. That looks perfect. Right? Like nothing ever happened. If this light would stay in, it'd be serviceable. Again, zip ties, some glue, cover up that hole. We'd be back in business pretty quick. And notice how this truck is completely unfazed. There isn't a scratch on it. That's insane. My car took the entire hit, and this thing doesn't even look like it hit the car. I couldn't even tell. Unless it wasn't on that side, and it was some funky spot. But damn, truck versus Subaru, truck definitely won. But it's only a small ding, so it's a minor problem. Funny thing is, my little brother doesn't have his license, and I can see why. Shouldn't have it if he can't even park a truck in our driveway.
Whatever.